What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna giving y'all a little overview of my 07 Saab 93 Aero, the glorious B284, and basically give y'all a rundown of everything and how much it would cost to replicate, or what you'd have to do to replicate this exact car. Somebody in one of my previous videos commented about it and asked if I would do a video on it, so I'm gonna finally do it. I should have done this long ago, but let's cue the B-roll of this thing and get out of here, because I seen some people up there and they didn't seem too very happy that I was here. But yeah, let's get out of here. And no, I'm not Hellraiser out here. Alright, y'all, first off, yes, old girl has a little bit of miles on her, but hey, nothing is better to me than buying a high mileage car or truck. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with buying a high mileage car or truck. I prefer it. They're already broke in. But when I bought this thing, damn, it's getting toasty in here. Hopefully the window isn't too bad. When I bought this thing, I think it had 230 or 40 on it. I think like maybe it was 249 if I remember exactly. I'll have to go look. I have to find the old ad and throw it up here. But I snagged this thing for a whopping $800. So we'll add that to the total up here. $800. Not 800, excuse me. 1,800, my bad. Change the total. 1,800 is what I paid for this thing. Which is a really good deal. I mean, in my eyes, it was a good deal. Please ignore the check engine light. So, I wanted one so bad after riding in my buddy's Logan's. I rode in it one day. We revived his old one, same color and everything. And, you know, I had to have one after that. I sold my Jetta. This thing popped up on Marketplace, and it just so happened to be the same color as my buddy's. So, I guess win-win. But when I picked it up, it was in nowhere near the shape it's in now. And I'll throw up some photos and videos of what it looked like when I first got it. It was pretty much shitbox. It still kind of is a shitbox, but it's a nicer shitbox. But yeah, it was in terrible shape when I first got it. They hit a deer with it. The whole front end was like twisted a little bit underneath all the bumper and everything. So got a good little frame pulling, ratchet strap in a tree, little frame pulling action, and there's some people. Hold on one second. All right, we passed the people now. They was going to stare at this nice Saab going by. But anyways, yeah. So I bought it. I drove it like it was, and like 2 months after buying it, I bought a parts car. It was silver. I know it wasn't the same color. I knew that when I bought it. I paid $400 for the parts car. We'll go ahead and include that in the total up here. I'm not going to include all the parts that I sold off that car to make the money back. But yes, I did end up making my money back pretty quickly, I'd say. Because I sold like the interior, all the stuff that I didn't need for this car. Because as you can see, my car's brown interior, and that car was a 06 silver with the all gray interior. Well, the gray and the white. Well, it was gray here, and then this was like, I think it was either black. No, it was black. Black. Gray and black, excuse me. Looks like I don't know what I'm talking about, but I really do. I'm just everywhere this morning. Squirrel brain. But yeah, so we got $400 on that. Damn, y'all got me really thinking now. Alright, so I drove it around. I put the silver bumper on there and got rid of the black one. I remember correctly. I don't know. I'm trying to think back. I'll have to go look at my photos. I might be completely wrong. But I know I paid $18 for the car, $400 for that. Not long after I got it, I had to get the windows tinted, and that was only $350. It was really cheap, and I got the whole car done. The windshield and everything. And that was before it was cracked. It literally cracked like a week after I got it tinted. I'll throw some pictures and videos up like right after I got it tinted. I have some.
Pussy with my brother, yeah. He got a mom. Pussy with my brother, yeah.
see, after 10, I went through a hood stack phase, which was literally so obnoxious. And when I first bought the car, the AC wasn't working because the clutch, the AC clutch, like all the bearings in it were like gone. The bearings and the rubber seal, so it didn't work. But I fixed that, and then it locked up again. So I got a shorter belt on it now just to bypass it for the winter, because there's no point in me tearing this whole front end apart while it's hot outside, and while it's cold outside and I don't need AC. So add $350 to the total. Let's see, what did I do after that? The hood stack was free, so I ain't gonna count that. Shout out my buddy Dylan. Me and him got a little hood stack together. So after I did that, one day my dad was at Pull Apart, straight up W from Pull Apart. He found a car the exact same color of mine, like perfectly. It was the anniversary edition, which is why my car has the stripes on the fenders now. But I got the fenders and the hood for, I think, $300, maybe $200-300. We'll just add $300 to the total. So we'll have the total right here in the corner. Y'all can see how much I've gotten this thing so far. And this was like middle of the year, maybe a third of the way through. I'll look back at my timestamps and be correct. Or correct this, excuse me. So I did that. I drove it around for the hood stack, and then like, I think it was March. So yeah, March, like a third of the way through the year, March, I got rid of the hood stack because I spent $400 on a downpipe from Genuine Saab. So add that up there to the total. Oh, also I spent $400 on the tune. Add that to the total from Patriot Performance. Let's see, what was next? Okay, and then after I put all that on there, I ran a silver bumper off my parts car that I had. And I know I have a picture of this, so I'll throw that up there now. And then it was $300 for the exhaust work to get done. So I got it's literally 3 inch from the turbo back exhaust. I may even have some videos of it getting done. I took it somewhere. I didn't do that shit personally. I wasn't doing all that. But I think it's mandrel bent. I'm not sure. It's whatever to me. I don't really care. It's exhaust. And this ain't no $90,000 BMW that I'm gonna care so much on it. This is a 07 Saab. I mean, it's exhaust and it's exhaust. So yeah, after that, the car looked really good. I mean, I still stock suspension and everything. So then I started getting into flipping cars, and I still try to do it on the side. But it's wintertime and all the deals are dried up. So I bought this Saab to flip for $500. Yeah, we'll throw it in that total. Who cares? And because the only reason I'm gonna throw it in the total is because it had a bumper that come with the car where the dude got hit or whatever. That had was the same color as my car. So I lucked up and literally got a bumper pretty much. It's pretty much for free, but we know we're gonna add $500 to the total because why not? My damn neighbor. Let's see, what's next? Remember, use your turn signals, guys. What did I do next to this thing after I made $1,000 on that car within like 2 days, so that helped out, which was nice. Then I bought some like stock wheels off of Arc, I think is what they are, like a 04 to 05 Arc. Arc Aero Linear or something like that bullshit. I think it's Arc, but I'll throw some pictures of that there up now. Excuse me. Damn, I can't speak. Yeah. So throw some pictures of that. Oh Lord, I forgot what I was saying. So I got some lower springs from my buddy or Megan Racing's. Don't really recommend them, but it was $50. So add that to the total now. And I also bought some spacers so the fitment looked right and didn't look like absolute dog water. And that was, I think, $120 on the spacers. So my wheels aren't sucked in, they're like flush. I have some pictures of before and after I did that, and I'll throw them up right here. Alright, and then next, after that, after my suspension blew, I went ahead and bit the bullet, and I spent a small chump change amount of $1,200 on coilovers. Yeah, I know. small amount of money. It was not a small amount of money, but yeah, I bought me some coilovers. Well worth it. Shout out to a firm. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't pay for a firm. They are actually paid for because I really don't like making payments on shit. But did coilovers because I was about to go tell the Dragon, and I was not going to hit the Dragon with long struts and absolutely wreck and end up on Fail the Dragon. I'm not ending up in that Facebook group. Absolutely not. But so I spent 1,200 coilovers, and unfortunately that same trip we were like 40 miles into our trip to tell the Dragon, and I'm like 5 hours from there. So 40 miles into our like 400-mile trip, and somebody come over and hit me, and I'll throw some pictures and vids of that right now. This is the worst day of my life. I was so mad. I could have ripped that dude out of his car and whooped his butt, but I didn't, and I got a payment from insurance. They gave me like $2,500, and I did the smart thing, and I went ahead and I bought me some wheels. Yes, I bought some wheels. I've not spent all that money. I still have money left, but my wheels for $1,600, and I'll go ahead and throw that up in the total right now. So wheels for $1,600. Tires were like $300. You know, I like my land spiders, my cheap ones. All right, here's the wheels that I went with. They are ESR CS somethings. I'm not even sure, but I'll add a link to in the description to all the parts that I used / where I got them from. Yeah. And if you have any questions on this car, just leave them down in the comment. I'll answer it for you. So these are the wheels. I have some D2 Racing. That's the brand coilovers I got. There's a sticker right there. I do have. I'll leave the link down in the description below for that. I do have some pictures of the coilovers. They are very nice. There's my taillights I bought. They were $160, I think, from my buddy. Shout out to him, hooking me up. I think that's about it. And there's the damage. Oh, we got a door that was $100. Shout out my dad for going to pull apart and getting it while I was at school. And yes, I'm still gonna fix the quarter. It's very wavy, as you can see. Yeah, you can see how pushed in it is. But I'm still gonna fix that. I'm planning to get some carbon mirror caps next, and I'm getting pretty much the whole car repainted, and we're getting rid of that damage there. So, see what I do now. Oh, I got headlights. That was $300. Add that up in there. I think I'm missing something. Oh yeah, I spent $100 on intake. I forgot about that. And here's those lines in the fender I was talking about from the anniversary edition car. So yeah, as always, y'all go down there, like and subscribe. I think that's it. It's gonna be a short video, but I just want to make sure I upload this week. Yeah, so hope y'all having a great first day of the new year. Y'all go down there and like and subscribe. Leave a comment of what I should do next, and if you have any questions, leave them down there, and I'll make sure to leave all my parts down in the description below. So yeah, I'll be back with y'all in another video.
And I'm right back, ASAP, right up on my gut, and that's a light tap. Walk inside the booth, I just talk, I don't write raps. Walk into the store, bought the